The 2024 Polestar 5 prototype, unveiled at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, has already made significant waves in the world of electric vehicles. Brought to life from the design language of the Polestar Precept concept car, the four-door electric GT represents the future of environmentally friendly high-performance vehicles. Driven by Polestar's racing driver Nicky Catlin, the Polestar 5 completed its dynamic debut at Goodwood with flair, emphasizing its strong performance credentials. The exterior design of the Polestar 5 is a captivating blend of elegance and power, finished in a striking blue paint complemented by contrasting black accents. It retains the traditional GT shape with a long hood and a sloping rear end, while still embracing a modern minimalist aesthetic. This design language continues in the interior, with a large touchscreen infotainment system at the center of the dashboard, embodying the brand's commitment to simplicity and functionality. The performance of the Polestar 5 is set to challenge the status quo in the EV market. It's expected to deliver a range of up to 450 miles, powered by a dual-motor powertrain that can produce over 800 horsepower. These specs offer a promising blend of sustainability and power, indicative of the brand's commitment to creating vehicles that don't compromise performance for eco-friendliness. On the technology front, the Polestar 5 will include the latest in safety and driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are just a few of the advanced tools drivers will have at their disposal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.